In this module, I will cover the basics of design thinking, summarizing what the term entails and what design thinking can be used for. So, what is design thinking? In the 21st century, we have developed a new idea of what it means to design. Designing is now seen as a way of thinking and problem-solving to form solutions, rather than its traditional perception as the creation of beautiful and aesthetically pleasing objects relating solely to the arts. Our new design thinking takes the process artistic designers have always used and applies it to products created by a large range of industries and services. Design thinking is a fluid process, usually done towards the beginning of projects. It involves mapping out different stages of design and using this to tackle problems and create solutions for them, whether that means designing a tangible product, the user experience for an application, or a business model. While in the initial stages of the design process, creative solutions matter more than realistic ones. Design thinking also generally involves focusing on the needs of users. This concept is known as human-centered design. You should aim for the end result of your design thinking to fall in between three categories: desirable, feasible, and viable, to ensure development of a product that is both innovative and valuable. Desirability ensures the product is actively wanted by its target audience. It must create solutions in a way that is pleasing while being easy to use and intuitive, creating an overall positive experience for users. Feasibility focuses on whether it's possible for the design to be made, either by yourself or a third party. This depends largely on how much time the process will take, along with its cost. Feasibility of the product actually being used and solving issues for users is just as important. Finally, viability means the project must make sense to go through with in business terms, whether or not the consumers will purchase it and whether that amounts to a profit. This concept may not seem to be as necessary if designing something unrelated to profit, but it's often still important to consider how to fund a design and whether users will benefit from it in this way. So design thinking incorporates all three of these categories, whereas without it, businesses and people often end up thinking solely in terms of one or two factors. What makes design thinking so innovative is that it's solution-based. It focuses on forming solutions rather than dealing with the problem itself. This is particularly beneficial, as if you only work out how to solve the symptoms of a problem, it could still easily return. It's necessary to figure out the real cause, the fundamental issues behind every product, which are more difficult to deal with, yet essentially need to be solved to create good design.